everyone. I wanted to do a little review for this Multifun portable heater. Just got this in the mail today and I have been tested out. I really like it. So the design, first of all, is very compact and they got this bright yellow color and got this very nice shine to it. Looks very stylish. And there's a little plastic handle on the top so you can easily lift it up and move around. It's very good design. Okay, let's test it out. So all you need to do is actually just plug it in and turn the switch on. And then there's a thermostat. You can dial it up or down, adjust the temperature. It is very fast heating. See, you can already feel the warm air come out. And because it's a ceramic heater, so you won't actually see the grill lit up. All you can notice is a fan. It's a very subtle fan noise come out, but it's very acceptable. It doesn't bother me at all. And in terms of the design, some of you might be concerned about this metal construction. Wondering if it's too hot, but I don't think that's the case because the plastic ones, it will be just as hot. I don't feel this is hot at all here. And of course, in terms of safety, I think that will be the major concern for most of us. So I noticed that there is an ETL mark at the bottom, and I have looked it up. What it means is basically it's in compliance with North American safety standard. So that being said, I feel a lot better about this product being very safe. So yeah, I really like this portable heater. It's very compact, very stylish design, and very fast heating. I would definitely recommend this one. Thank you.